A Fidelity cash management account is a type of brokerage account that allows you to manage your cash and investments in one place. It is designed to provide an all-in-one solution for your financial needs, offering features such as check writing, debit cards, and online bill pay. To open a Fidelity cash management account, you will need to apply online or by phone and fund the account with an initial deposit. The key benefits of a Fidelity cash management account include the ability to earn a competitive interest rate on your cash balances and to invest in a wide range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You will also have access to a variety of tools and services, such as budgeting and investment tracking, to help you manage your finances effectively. One of the main advantages of a Fidelity cash management account is its flexibility. You can use the account to pay bills, make purchases, and transfer funds to other accounts. You can also use the account to invest in a variety of assets and to take advantage of tax-advantaged savings opportunities, such as individual retirement accounts. To get the most out of a Fidelity cash management account, it is a good idea to set a budget and track your spending regularly. You should also take advantage of the account's investment features and consider consulting with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your needs. Additionally, you should be aware of any fees associated with the account, such as maintenance fees or overdraft fees, and take steps to avoid them. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to keep your cash balances in a separate account from your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. You should also consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your Fidelity cash management account to make saving and investing easier and less prone to being neglected. By following these tips and taking advantage of the features and services offered by a Fidelity cash management account, you can effectively manage your finances and achieve your long-term financial goals.